Today we're here to talk about how to set up your adjustable surf ski. The first thing you need to do is hold the rudder firmly and in a straight position. To do that, I like to wedge something soft between the rudder and the bottom of the ski itself. Make sure it's soft so you don't damage the ski. I like to double over a tie-down strap or something similar. The next step is to set the foot plate to your desired leg length. You may need some help to do this the first time at least. I like to sit the ski on some stands, like some camp chairs or something like that, or you can sit it on the beach on the sand. Just don't forget to dig a little hole for the rudder to sit in. Once you're sitting in the ski, get somebody to come forward and move the foot plate to the position that you want. The foot plate is mounted on some sliding tracks. As you can see, the tracks have holes. Each hole is longer or shorter, obviously. These pins here and here are what stops the track from sliding. They force themselves into the hole. To move those pins out, simply grab the piece of string that holds them both together and twist, and then you're able to move the foot plate forward or back to where you want it to be. Once you have the foot plate set to the length that you want, make sure that the pins are clicked back into place and that the holes are the same right and left. The next step is to set the pedals in the right position. Some people like them more upright, some people like them further forward. It's personal preference. You can set them wherever you like. I would recommend exploring this a little more. Try it on different angles and see what works for you. Too straight can sometimes give you pins and needles in your legs. Too far forward and you feel like you can't turn the ski. So play around with that a little bit. So lift the pedal to where you want it, pull the string tight, do the same on both sides and make sure that they're even. Because the rudder's straight, the pedals must be straight. Once you've got the pedals and the foot plate set where you want them, you'll notice you've got a whole lot of extra cord left over. The last step in setting up the foot plate is locking this cord off so it can't slip through the pedals and won't move. You'll notice two little nylon fair leads at the front of the cockpit. Take the excess string, push it through there, same with the other side, and you can even go through twice. Your ski will come with a little toggle. It might look like this, or it might be a smaller black one. Place the ends of the string through the toggle. And pull that down tight. Then just take whatever's left of your cord and pull it through the teeth of the toggle to lock it tight. So that way, when there's stress on the pedals and the whole steering drive line, these can't slip and your pedals won't end up where they shouldn't be. Lastly, you can take the excess cord and tie it off any way you like that's neat, just so that it's not flopping around inside the boat. Remove your strap from the rudder and you're ready to go.